updating your payment information on Kraken is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account tab in the main menu. Click on it, then select settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, find the funding or payment methods section. This is where you can view and manage your existing payment options. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update. Click on the edit option next to it and enter your new payment details as required. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, be sure to click the Save button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email once the update is successful. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Kraken. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken support for assistance.